Go with a tick of flaps, just because it's awful moist out. Alright, taking off. Gears are up, flaps are up. Come back on the throttle. Low pass. I must have been standing there talking to you for a while because my battery timer is going off on it.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's all right. I'm just saying that I didn't know I had it started up the timer on it already.
Well, just flip the transmitter off and we'll reset. Okay?
Yeah, there you go. That's it. Damn, I don't know why I didn't think of that, Jim. You said these might be on sale, so where's the harm?
Yeah, that is a pretty fine jet, though.
Oh, it's to me, it's the easiest flying model for as far as jets that I've ever put my hands on. There's a couple others out there I want to get, like the I want to get that E-Flight A10 that they came out with, and I want to get the Freewing Albatross L39.
I hadn't thought about it. Yeah, 139 on that jet, that's cheaper than building another.
Oh, I guarantee you, if you're right about the price.
I'm almost sure, because I saw it about 2 weeks ago, and I didn't, last time out, I think I knew it, and I was looking at it last night, or sometime in the last day or two.
Jim saying that he thinks he saw this Rebel V2 marked at 139.
I hope that's the one.
And I promise you, as soon as I get home, I'm going to fire up the computer and take a look, and if it is, I'll buy one, and I might buy two, just to...
They don't have a PNP, do they?
That's how they all come. Plug and play. You got to add your own receiver.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Now you can buy an ARF on it, but to me, it's just it's a better value buying the PNP. Unless you.
I don't think I saw another one. I think I looked. You know what I mean? I'll see if I can spot the one for 189.
You know, if you have a wrecked model, then you're good to buy the ARF because you can just take your components out. But if you're looking to build up a full model, yeah, P&P, man, that's the only way to go. Or if you're buying E-Flight and you fly Spectrum, a bind and fly is the way to go.
You got to get lower to go through that tent, okay?
I'm going to skip it off our fence right here. Zoom. Yeah, man, this thing just is a gentle flyer.
Think about that. I thought about buying a new transmitter with the 2400.
Oh, yeah?
I figured it'd be next year before I could get it at the earliest. You know what I mean?
Why do you think that?
That's just me and my budget. And,
oh, I thought you meant on back order or something.
And I thought, well, you know what? But I don't know if I'm going to have that long to play with it either, with the government.
I figure it'll be 2 years before,
well, I figure they're going to
at the earliest.
Publicity on that, because they're going to put hundreds of hobby shops out of business.
Well, no doubt about that.
Well, you know what? I think the hobby shops are making more off the cars now than they...
Yeah, you're probably right. Seems to be a tremendous amount of car parts and stuff when you go into the hobby shops, especially these hobby towns.
Yeah.
Most all the hobby towns are individually owned, and of course, you know, you gotta recognize that they're going to sell what's selling. That's what they're going to stock, you know.
The thing is,
all right, I'm gonna set the gears down and then come around for a landing on this.
He's devoted a whole lot more inventory in the cars.
Yeah.
I thought about.
Yep.
And I started to tell Jim over there, you know, when you sell an airplane,
yeah,
they charge you 10%. They ought to, if you buy an airplane from them, they ought to say, hey, let us keep the 10 and we'll sell you an airplane. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And they might pick up a few extra sales on airplanes that way too.
Who's giving 10%?
Roy would sell it for 10%. So you.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah, Roy.
Yeah, I thought it was Hobbytown gave 10% off.
No, it's Roy.
Are you sure?
If you sell it, if they sell you.
Oh, if you're if you're talking if you sell your airplane. I thought you meant if you buy one in there.
Charging that 10% if you buy a brand new one.
Yeah.
He keeps it, and you buy a brand new one.
Yeah.
In other words,
Well, really, the 10%'s a bargain.
oh, I know.
I mean,
I think what I'm gonna do is, we gotta.
they're not open right now, I don't think. But if they were, I would probably take a half a dozen planes in there.
I was thinking about bringing them out here to that first fly in we got.
Rebel V2. Thanks for watching.